Hello, everyone. Good evening. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I hope you are progressing in life. And I hope you are taking care of yourself. Not only of yourself, I hope you all are taking care of your family, of your surroundings, of your society, and must be impacting each other's life. So, my dear friends, today we are live once again. And let me tell you, this is the teaser. I'm going to tell you, unfold many secrets, but that's going to be a secret once again. And what is the secret that I'll unfold by the end of this small teaser? But I'm sure for this 5-7 minutes, what I'm going to spend with you, you're going to take away a lot of things from me. Rather, I won't say from me. We're going to take so many things from each other, right? So without taking much of your time, I want all of you to please join me in this journey of 5 to 7 minutes so that I know that we all are together in this journey. See, I keep telling you that I feel blessed that I have worked with teenagers. And this is really a very sensitive and a well-liked topic for me. Whenever somebody tells me to speak about teenagers or to find out something interesting about them and their life, what is happening in their life, I really feel excited. And you can see that excitement level on my face, on my expressions, because when we talk about teenagers, you really have to match with their energy levels. You know that as parents, as teachers, as the society, and as teenager yourself, I'm sure many teenagers must be watching me live right now. So if you're watching me right now, you can very well understand that whenever a teacher comes in the classroom which do not match to your energy, how do you feel? Same goes true in the family also. If your parents are not matching with your energy, you don't feel connected. Same goes with your friends. The birds of same feathers, they're going to flock together. So we can make it out. All those people who are energetic are going to stay together. They're going to be in one tune, complete harmony with each other. So I must say, my dear friends, of course, teenagers are going to be your friends only. So rather than calling teenagers as बच्चे या तुम अभी छोटे हो, you don't know about various things in life, I love to call teenagers as my friends. And I think all the society should take this term as to indicate the teenagers with this particular word called as friends. So when you're young, and when I say this, when you are young, I mean to say that when I went through this journey of teenager, we all once upon a time was teenagers. All of us have gone through this journey, right? So when you are young, you really don't understand the meaning of the topics like physical fitness, mental ability, emotional health, logical thinking, perfect balance between mind, body, and soul. So your parents keep on telling you about all these things. And icing on the cake is when you go to the school, even the school teachers will keep on telling you about all these things: physically fit, mentally alert, emotionally healthy. And you people don't realize कि ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं what are they talking about. But you realize it much later in life, what is the real meaning of these things. So my dear friends and my dear students, if I tell you that this stage of your life, which is called as golden period, I'll refer it to golden period, you will have many memories that you're going to cherish throughout your life. You will not forget. And let's make your memories memorable for your life, so that when you become a respectable person in the society, you share your teenagers time with real passion and enthusiasm. As I'll say that every aspect of one's life is highly influenced by the physical, emotional, and mental healthy well-being. So when we talk about health, it's not about physical fitness, right? It's about, when we are talking about health, I mean to say that we are going to talk about the three platforms. That is your emotional health, your mental health, and of course, your physical health. Because it will not be improper to say that all these three platforms are as vital for the overall development of any individual as the backbone of human body. So dear teenagers, and the very special and powerful, the parents of the teenagers, we know that they are growing very fast. It is a wonderful journey, and it is a terrible journey too. Terrible for both, for the parents, for the teachers, and for the bichare teenagers also, which we don't understand. They are rapidly changing. They're rapidly changing. Some of the changes are outside, so you can see them. Their growth in the height, their facial expressions will change. Their voice will also change. They'll undergo a lot of changes in their body, and they're at the same time they are growing internally also. So their food habits will undergo a complete change. And when I say that they're growing internally, the first indication for the internal growth is the concept of developing of the concept of I, me, myself. That is an important milestone, my dear parents and my dear teachers, you must understand. And my dear kids, my dear, sorry, not to tell you, not to say kids, my dear teenagers, the concept of I is very important. So never ever think that if you are putting your viewpoint and it has not been acceptable, something wrong is with you. No, nothing is wrong with you. Actually, the people, the society, the parents and the teachers are unable to understand you. So it is good. Studies says that the teenager time is the most unhappy, most confused, and most worst days, not only in terms of how we look like from outside, but how we feel. That is very killing, because most of the teenagers, they struggle with their identity. They don't know how to express, whom to express, and what to express. Sometimes they struggle, but they don't find suitable words and sentences to share. Sometimes they want to share, but उनको यही नहीं पता चलता कि ये how, मतलब मैं कैसे comprehend करूं, कैसे दुनिया को बताऊं, कैसे mom dad को explain करूं कि what I am going through. So I understand that this is difficult for you, and I'll make you people very comfortable with this stage, so that you don't have more struggle, you don't struggle more in this phase. New term for this teenage. हमारे time पे इतना problem नहीं हुआ करता था actually. हमारे time पे I was a teenager myself, so but then हमारे time पे इतना problem नहीं होता था, क्योंकि we were engrossed in so many activities, and फिर हमारे पास free time बहुत हुआ करता था, and then family pressure भी नहीं इतना होता था. We used to have so many siblings, we used to play, we used to sing together, we used to dance together, we used to cook together, and हमारे पास internet facility भी तो नहीं थी. तो इसीलिए हमारा टाइम आपके टाइम से बहुत अलग है. तो अगर कुछ एक पेरेंट्स ये कहते हैं हम हमारे टाइम पे ऐसे करते थे, हम हमारे टाइम पे अपने मॉम डैड के साथ ऐसे करते थे, आजकल के बच्चों को तो ये सब पता ही नहीं है. तो माय डियर टीनेजर्स, रिलैक्स, डोंट वरी. उनको भी पता है उनका टाइम और हमारा टाइम, तुम्हारा टाइम बहुत अलग है. It's very difficult to understand, and it's very difficult to live in such kind of a tension bhara mahal. Okay, so new term in this scenario which is given to teenagers ki problem ko kaha jata hai. I am not very happy to say this, but it is growing, my dear friends, my dear teenager friends. It is growing, and it is a really cause of concern. Globally, this problem is rising. This is called as teenager depression. Most of the teenagers, they're going to go in their shells. They're not coming out of the shells. It is just because of the reason that they have so much in their mind, but they're not able to take that out, take that pressure out, because they're not finding compatible people. They're not finding their parents compatible enough to understand them. And it results in four things. That is, they become aggressive, they become argumentative, they start staying all alone, because जब उनको कोई समझ नहीं पाता है तो वो अपने आप को अपने रूम्स में लॉक कर लेते हैं और अपनी अलग सी दुनिया बना लेते हैं. So this is the first symptom, you can say, that the child, especially the teenager, they started going in this teenager depression kind of thing. If not taken care in the beginning itself, this can lead to a lot of problems in their life. Like the person will become aloof, for the rest of the life वो किसी से बात नहीं करेगा, वो बहुत ज़्यादा introvert बन जाएगा, right? So हमें, I understand that teenagers, they go through a lot of tremendous pressure. They go through peer pressure, they go through academics pressure, they go through stress, comparison, competition, and blah 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 what not. So we understand, we all understand, and I am here to help you out for this matter. I have been working with teenagers, and they don't need anything else. What do they need is, they need good guidance, they need support, and they need somebody to understand them, somebody to really understand them. So I think teenagers can relate to me in a better manner, और मैं चाहूंगी कि आप मेरे साथ इसी तरह बने रहें. Don't find yourself battling in this in this called war all alone. आप अकेले नहीं हो, and हम सब आपके साथ हैं. Don't worry. Globally, when I talk about globally, then so many researches we have done, so many studies I have done. So globally, these are the four main reasons why there are stress, anxiety, and depression kind of things, which leads to higher level of depression in teenagers. They are unrealistic high pressure to perform. Unrealistic high pressure to perform. Now, when I say unrealistic, sometimes it is realistic also. Sometimes some of the students, they need that kind of motivation from outside, but many a time it is unrealistic also, and it comes from those areas where you go almost every day. Like, it comes from the school, it comes from the society, it comes from the peer group, and sad, but it comes from the parents and the neighbors and the people who stay near to you also. So second problem that arises is too much of exposure. So during our time when we were kids, there was no exposure. Exposure was very less. Exposure in terms of everything was very less. But now what had happened, that the exposure is more. Exposure in terms of knowledge, exposure in terms of your choices, exposure in terms of anything. Rather, we'll say that exposure in terms of what profession are you going to choose in your life, what kind of dreams do you have much more exposure. So that leads to a confused kind of a society. Confused citizen, confused students, especially teenagers, they become confused कि क्या किया जाए लाइफ में. ये भी अच्छा है, वो भी अच्छा है, मेरे मॉम ये कहती है, मेरे टीचर्स ये कहते हैं, आई एम गुड, एंड मेरे बच्चे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. So they are in a confused state of mind of what to do. Okay, then the third category, which is very important to understand, is lack of sleep. My dear students, it is very important. हमने क्या किया है कि more of screen and less of sleep कर दिया है. More of screen and less of sleep, which is very dangerous. It should not be done, right? And the last one, which is very important to understand, is lifestyle choices. You know what are lifestyle choices. I won't go in detail right now about it. You all know. For much details, I'll be meeting you once again, no problem. Now, if you are a teenager and listening to me, you can understand whatever I have said is not wrong. Whatever I have said, they are the problems that you all must be facing. But guess what? I have a surprise for you. And that surprise is that I am going to come with the solutions to all these problems. That is very soon, and that too tomorrow. कल हम दोबारा मिलेंगे same program में at the same time. Not the same time, the timings are different. So now you need to note down the timings. It is there visible on your screen also. 11:30 a.m. 11:30 in the morning. Tomorrow is Sunday. So eat your breakfast, get ready, and put your pen and pencils with you so that you note down various things. And 19th December, note down nothing you're going to do. You are going to sit glued to your screen with your pen and paper. Maninda ma'am is not going to teach you a lesson, but going to give you an insight to what you are, what you can be. See, I feel for you. I feel for my students, and I feel for the parents as well. So let's be there with each other's support. Let's support each other and let's find out why these teenagers are the way they are. It's not their fault. So my dear parents, my dear students, my dear teachers, if you're watching me right now live, I would like to repeat it once again. कल हम दोबारा मिलेंगे 11:30 19th December Sunday. Please keep yourself free. Till then, bye bye and take care. Take great care of yourself. Bye.